Hi, Dr. Gaurav Mishra. Welcome you to the weekly insights by Wash Observatory and the Development Management Institute. Let us see what are this week's updates.
Hello and welcome to the Wash Observatory weekly news updates. Here's a quick update on India's COVID count. India's COVID tally raced past 52 lakh with 96,424 people testing positive in a day, while the number of people who have recuperated from the disease rose to 41 lakh 12,551 on Friday, according to Union Health Ministry data. The country's recovery rate stands at 78.86%. As far as Bihar is concerned, COVID cases crossed the 1.65 lakh mark with 1,147 cases recorded on Friday, taking the day's tally to 1,65,371. The official death toll has reached to 859 with 4 latest deaths. With more than 1.5 lakh recoveries so far, active cases stand at 13,110. Health Minister Mangal Pandey tweeted on Friday that nearly 54 lakh samples have been tested in Bihar so far, and as of Friday, the state's recovery rate stands at 91.5%, one of the highest in the country. As far as new COVID-19 cases are concerned, Patna recorded 489 cases in the past 2 days, including 290 on Thursday and 199 on Friday. A team of doctors of AIIMS Patna has developed a portable negative pressure incubator for neonates affected with COVID-19. The research was published in the International Pediatric Journal Acta Pediatrica this week. They have claimed that the device will also protect neonates from other hospital-acquired infectious diseases, both in and after corona times. One of the researchers, Dr. Bhavesh Chaudhary, said of 30 babies born from COVID-19 positive mothers at AIIMS Patna in the last 3 months, 2 were found positive, though asymptomatic. Both recovered, sent to their homes, and are still under our monitoring. A COVID-19 vaccine is likely to be available by early next year, and the government is considering its emergency authorization for high-risk people. Union Minister Harsh Vardhan said, asserting he will take the first shot to address any trust deficit over its safety. According to the Health Ministry statement, he said while no date has been fixed for the launch of a vaccine, it may be ready by the first quarter of 2021 and made available first to those who need it the most, irrespective of their paying capacity. In a boost to the healthcare sector in Bihar ahead of coming elections, the state will get its second AIIMS at Darbhanga after Patna. The Union Cabinet, chaired by PM Modi on Tuesday, approved the project under the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, which will be built within 4 years for Rs 1,264 crores. Apart from a medical college, the proposed institution, with a capacity of 750 beds, will have several categories of beds, including Ayush, private beds, and specialty and super specialty beds. The premier hospital is being developed over an area of 200 acres at the Darbhanga Medical College and Hospital. Coronavirus caseload on urban areas of Patna district has increased manifold in the recent days when compared to the rural areas. As COVID-19 testing has been ramped up in the district, the urban areas are witnessing a steady rise in the number of active cases. The rural areas of the district, on the other hand, are witnessing a declining trend as far as spread of the virus is concerned. According to the data provided by the district administration as on Monday, of 1,804 active COVID cases in Patna, urban areas account for 85% of the caseload. About 1,404 active cases are from Patna Sadar, covering 721 homes in containment zones and 2,978 people. Maximum active cases are from Kankarpad, Shastri Nagar, Kadamkuan, Gardanibagh, Patrikar Nagar and Peer Bahar. The COVID-19 pandemic has forced people and institutions to explore so many things. Now the Bihar State Building Construction Corporation is designing the walls and floors of classrooms so as to impart education with fun in government schools of the state. The BSBCC is doing it at 20 primary schools in rural areas of Patna. BSBCC Managing Director Amit Kumar said when children return to their classrooms on reopening of schools, they would get a different look of their campuses. Pranayam, meditation and intake of Chyawanprash are among some of the suggestions given by the Union Health Ministry in its new management protocol for patients who have recovered from COVID-19. calling for a holistic approach for follow-up care and well-being of all post-COVID recovered patients. The Health Ministry said such patients must continue COVID-appropriate behavior by use of masks, hand and respiratory hygiene and physical distancing. The protocol also called for self-monitoring at home of temperature, blood pressure, blood sugar, pulse oximetry, etc. if medically advised. COVID-19 is expected early next year, and of the 6 leading ones which are undergoing trials, probably 3 of them will work. Billionaire philanthropist Bill Gates has said, asserting that India has a huge role to play in scaling up manufacturing for these. If they succeed in their phase 3, which is still underway, we will be able to ramp up that manufacturing capacity, said Gates. He said India will play a major role in manufacturing these vaccines in high numbers, as several companies in the country have the capacity to ramp up production. With this, we come to the end of this week's news updates. Please subscribe to our channel for future updates. You can send us your feedback or post your queries on our website or on our email ID. Thank you.